Welcome to Showesome Recorder. In this short demo, you'll see 3 recording modes: screen plus camera, screen only, and camera only, and when to use each. Let's get started. Open the extension from the Chrome toolbar. Screen plus camera records your display and webcam together, great for tutorials and demos. Your camera shows as a bubble. Drag it anywhere. Controls stay below. Screen only captures just your display, no camera bubble. Ideal for UI walkthroughs. You still get recording controls, pause, stop, and timer, without a face cam. Camera only is for face-to-camera clips, video messages, and quick updates. Camera only shows your webcam full frame right away. You can blur the background if you like. Now you know when to use each mode. Add Showesome to Chrome, choose your setup, and start recording. Free, no account required, no watermark on your videos.